Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Malino District in North Kalimantan. First, I would like to ask, how are you today? All this fine morning. I hope you are all in good health to be able to enjoy the trip with us today in the beautiful waterfall in the North Kalimantan. I would like to introduce myself before we continue our trip. I am Indira. I'm your tour guide for today's trip. Before we leave the hotel, I would like you all to check your belong and make sure that you didn't leave anything behind. And then, if everything is in its place, let us all process to enter the bus that has been prepared for us all. And then, for the first, the place we are going to visit is Semolon Waterfall. Let me tell you a little bit about our first destination. Semolon Waterfall, located in the expanse of the tropical forest of Borneo. Semolon Waterfall is quite everyday. Occasionally, there are visitors at one of the reliable tourism attractions in Malino Regency, North Kalimantan Province, or what we call it, Kaltara. It was recorded that 19 photographers from all districts in Kaltara attended, along with a number of guest photographers from Balikpapan, East Kalimantan, and Jakarta. There were also dons of traditional dancer and musicians from the tourism village of Setulang, which is a neighbor of Semolon. There were also dons of scouts from Sakawira Kartika, mingling with local youths. Semolon Waterfall is used as a recreation area and also used as a place for traditional event. The passionate enthusiasm of the photographer was packaged with a photo session of typical Dayak figures who were brought to Semolon and traditional Dayak attraction. And then the photographer of Kalimantan or Kaltara really understand that the task of documenting the preservation of traditional culture and the teaching of their entrance into their hands. And then now that we have arrived, you can freely explore the wonder of Semolon Waterfall. And I will explain what things can we do in the Semolon Waterfall. At Semolon Waterfall, we can bathe and soak in the warm water sources near Semolon Waterfall. In addition to the Semolon hot spring object, around Semolon Waterfall there are supporting facilities such as gazebo for meeting or event, suspension bridges or jalan setapak, volleyball court, and camping ground. So that we are not only fixed by Semolon Waterfall, but we can enjoy many activities around the Semolon Waterfall. So maybe that is our itinerary for this tour. I hope you all can have a lovely visit to this country and enjoy everything it has to offer for the rest of today. You can rest before we start our tour tomorrow. I hope you all enjoy. You stay at the hotel that we have prepared for you. Maybe that's all for me. Thank you everyone and see you.